Welcome. In front of me I have a Fossil Gen 6 FTW4066 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. To change the straps on this watch, first you need to remove the old ones, and to do it, grab your watch and on the straps find the levers basically. As you can see, here we have a lever we can pull on to remove the strap, and it's the same for the second strap as well. So basically what we need to do is to pull on this lever. It will release the pin, and then we can pull out the strap. So let's pull on the lever like this, and then we can pull out the strap. Quite simple. Pull on the lever and remove the strap. And here we have our watch and our straps. And how this mechanism works is quite simple. Basically, when you pull on the lever, come on, focus camera. When you pull on the lever, this pin retracts and then releases the mechanism from the watch, because the pin is basically inserted right here into a hole on your watch. So if you retract it, you can pull out the strap then. Okay, and once you get new straps, you can put them on quite simply. You simply grab your watch, grab the strap, you put one end, the opposite end of the lever, into a hole on your watch, then pull on the lever to retract the pin, and then align the pin with the hole on the other side and release it, and then the strap will hold. Quite simple. The same for the other one. So put this end into a hole, pull on the lever, align it, release it, and it will hold. Okay. And that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.